What you are looking at is over $2,000 worth of professional product photography, produced for exactly $0. No camera, no expensive lights, and zero editing skills required. This is the power of Google's new image generator tool, Nano Banana Pro. In this video, I'm showing you how to turn basic images into these stunning product shots. And make sure to watch till the end, because I've compiled over 25 high-quality prompts for you to use. To use Nano Banana Pro, just head over to gemini.google.com. You'll see 3 model options. I'm using the Pro version for this video, but you can try the thinking model too if you want. Once you're in, click Create an Image, and that's where you'll enter your prompt. So to really test this model, I grabbed a PNG product image and a reference photo. The idea is to recreate that exact product photo shoot using AI. I'm going to drop my product image into Gemini first, hit Create an Image, then paste in the reference photo. And now I'll add my prompt. Super simple. And by the way, you don't need to memorize any of this. I put all the prompts I'm using today, plus 20 extra, in a PDF you can download below. And look at this! It actually came out really close to the reference. The fabric looks almost identical, the colors are on point, and the lighting is basically perfect. The only thing you'll notice is the watermark. Nano Banana Pro adds that by default. But if you want clean images with no watermark, use Nano Banana Pro from Higgsfield AI website. I dropped the link for you in the description. Alright, moving on. For this next one, I want to put our product into a setting that matches this reference photo. So I'm going to grab the product image and paste it in here. And then do the same with the reference. Once that's in, I'll click Create Image, drop in the prompt, hit Submit, and it'll take a little bit to generate. And look at that! It placed our product right into a shot that looks incredibly close to the reference. If I zoom in, you can actually see all the tiny water droplets and the lighting details happening in the background. It even held the same perspective and the same overall vibe from the original shoot. And once you're happy with what you see, you can just download the full image from right here. Now let's move on to the third product image. Same process as before. I'll copy the product image and paste it into Nano Banana Pro. Then grab the reference and paste that in as well. You can upload your own reference if that's easier. And here's the important part, the prompt. This is what really drives the result, so I'll paste the prompt in here, hit Submit, and let it do its thing. While it's generating, let me quickly show you the ebook I put together for you. It includes every prompt we used in this video, plus detailed instructions on how to use them, who they're for, and what kind of results you can expect. It also covers best practices, what to avoid, and tons of extra prompts you can start using today. Alright, back to the image. And wow, it created a stunning product shot again. Everything looks so clean. The product name and branding are sharp, the shadows line up perfectly, and the lighting looks really natural for an AI-generated image. Now let's try something a little more creative with this product. I'm going to copy it and paste it back into Gemini. And here's the reference image we're using for inspiration. This is the prompt we're going with. And boom, look at that result. Isn't it stunning? I mean, AI has officially gone too far in the best way possible. This looks not just realistic, but beautiful, like something you could easily use instead of a real product photo shoot. And I love how it even shifted the mood and lighting to match the product's color. Alright, final one. Same process. I'll paste the product image here, add the inspiration shot, and use our carefully written prompt. You can also switch up the aspect ratio if you're creating content for social media, Pinterest, or wherever you want to post. And look at this result. The bubbles, the foam, the way the product sits naturally in the shot. You honestly wouldn't guess this was AI unless someone told you. And that's it. I dropped the link to Higgsfield AI and the full ebook prompt guide down in the description for you. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. I'll be there. Thank you so much for watching.